and thank you for joining us today. I'm Salim Boutaji, a private wealth advisor here with MONECO Advisors.
And I'm Eric Johnson, financial planner here at MONECO Advisors as well.
May is Elder Care Month here at MONECO, and as we close out the month, we thought it would be helpful to share information today regarding navigating senior living options. Eric is joining me today to share his personal experience going through a very complex issue that we believe will impact everyone listening today, whether that's you're dealing with for a family member or a loved one.
Absolutely. Thanks, Salim. Yeah, I mean, you know, as financial planners, I mean, we're working with clients, helping them to navigate elder care and the need for care later in life. Unfortunately for myself, I had to personally deal with it with my father, who was diagnosed with dementia many years ago. And it all happened so quickly that I thought I could share some of the tips in my personal experience with everybody as we close out Elder Care Month this month.
Yeah, I'm certainly sorry that you had to deal with all that. Is there anything that you can think of, any tips or pointers that our clients can benefit from your experience?
Yeah, you know, I think everybody is unique in the things that they're looking for, but for me, it had to happen quickly. So location was definitely key. You know, I live here in Connecticut, as does a sibling of mine. So we wanted to make sure we had a centrally located home for my father where we could both visit, as well as, you know, friends and family could visit as well. And then the type of facility, I really wanted to look at the demographics, which a lot of that information isn't readily available. But my dad is a veteran, and the home that I found for him, with the help of my sister, of course, predominantly was comprised of veterans. So that was huge. Online reviews today, we know the power of the internet, always very helpful to find out a couple more details that might not be available. And then activities. Despite my dad's dementia, he's in great shape and loves to continue to be outside and work. So they have like a work program where they have gardening and such. And then last but not least, obviously the cost. The cost is important. And then the varying level of care, as unfortunately his dementia, you know, continues to degrade. I wanted to make sure there was different levels at the facility that he could move into when the time came.
That's all really helpful stuff. Thanks so much for sharing. If you find this information helpful, be sure to check out a detailed blog post that we're going to be posting on our website that's going to talk a little bit more about what Eric shared in his own personal experience. It's going to have very helpful tips like questions to ask and other things to think about while you're navigating the complexity of senior living options.
Yeah, and again, if you like kind of what you hear today and you find it helpful, please don't be hesitant to share with your family and friends on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And we'll see you next week.
Thanks, everyone.